I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your.
What it do? What it is? Vlog. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you're new here, hey guys, it's Energy and Augie, but Augie's not here right now. I wasn't planning on vlogging. Me, Pearl. Yeah, we paint and sipping. If you're not 21 and up, skip this part. Hey y'all, so we just at Walmart looking for Augie and Gio costume for Halloween. These are the options, y'all, but I'm not really fucking with it. I want it. He could have been Scooby-Doo, y'all, but they ain't got his oh, they got this. That's 6 to 12 though. And also, me and Augie, we doing movie night tonight. You wanna do movie night? He always looking scared. Why is he always looking scared? I couldn't find. I don't like none of this that they got for babies. They got bullshit for babies. I want my baby to be a character for real. Y'all look at Gio. Let me see Gio.
What you is? Stop. Come on, man. Focus on your face.
Yeah, Gio is Paw Patrol. Yeah, Gio acting like a crazy man.
Gio, you like Paw Patrol?
This is where it all started. I can get some, y'all chicken tenders pretty good. Yeah. We leaving Walmart. We came for one thing and okay, y'all, right about now, we're just at the pumpkin patch. We're finna see the pumpkins. Augie's back there acting a donkey.
They're located at the corner of Millhaven and Pecan Road.
Augie. What do you have to say for yourself? Because you could just keep crying, flathead ass. Hey.
Well, look at these little ones here. I think we got some pumpkins that are bigger than he is.
You want to pick up the pumpkin? Get the pumpkin.
Get it, Gio. How you scared? Get it.
So cute. A pumpkin. Augie. Augie, that's all you can get right now. I'm sorry. Sorry, buddy. Look at my package, y'all.
Say cheese. Cheese. And sit down. Sit down with Augie. Yay. Augie. Gio. Say cheese. You said, why I want some braids?
Okay, y'all, we at they went big shit. But yeah, we up here. It's me, my girl, Yanni Mara, but Yanni.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You studying more and more. I just think we ever be short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I wanna drown,
Hey y'all, so I forgot to show y'all the process or whatever, but me and Augie got a car, y'all. Augie's the reason I got this car, because if it was for me, I probably would have still been, because I don't be having nowhere to go. Y'all, look. Okay, so the tank was on half when I got it. Y'all, why the fuck I went in there, I was like, can I get, because I was gonna do 20, but I got me a little Polar Pop. And I got money on my car, but I know they be like, you gotta spend $3 in there. I'm very, 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 I was cheap before, but I'm cheap as fuck now. So yeah, thanks to God, like, oh my God. Good morning. Yeah, this is my first day driving to work since my last I know I look horrible, y'all. Maintenance day gonna be very, very, very soon.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark through the frame. You're the poster on the wall.
What it do? What it is, vlog? Damn, what it is, what's up? It's a big bitch in this club. It's Thanksgiving, y'all. It's 3:29 in the morning. Me and Augie took us a nap at 8, and I got up at like 2 and did my hair. I supposed to do my hair yesterday, but I don't get my nails done. Well, I did a service for service. But yeah, y'all, what it do, what it is, y'all. I'm getting ready for today, for later, because me and Augie, we gotta take pictures, matching pictures. We taking them on my phone, y'all. I don't mean professionals. We was supposed to take professionals, but I'm always last minute. Yeah, that's better. Hold up. Okay, y'all, I said my phone was trying to buy, but yeah, y'all, me and Augie, we were supposed to take professional fall pictures, but shit happens. Y'all see? What legs hold? I was gonna do a tutorial when I did my hair, but shit, I gotta go work in the morning, and I ain't trying to be here all night. So you get what you give. You get what you give. What y'all been doing? How y'all been doing? What y'all been doing? Who y'all been screwing? Oh God, look at my chest. Okay. It's 7:09. I've been up since 2 in the morning. I got done with my hair, y'all. I gave Augie a bell, and I gave him a bottle because he woke up, and I was just putting him to sleep. Like, I just put him to sleep. Because I'm finna get in the shower, and I'm talking very low because once again he is asleep. But yeah, I'm finna get in the shower, and I'm finna shave my legs because I'm finna, you know, it's something I want to do. Like, I want to be, I don't know, I want to get into like this routine. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm finna get in the shower. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get out of the shower. No, before I get in the shower, I'm finna wash my face and brush my teeth. So.
Dreams, you the prince and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up.
Okay, y'all, fresh out the shower. Okay, y'all, so I'm out the shower. That feels better. Yeah, I'm out the shower. I'll get asleep, and I'm finna fix my hair up because it's 7:53, and we gonna work early today. Here go me and Augie matching fits down to the T, honey. Okay, y'all, this is me. I gotta put on my jacket, but yeah, this is one. And I gotta hurry up with Augie because his dad's on the way, so I'm just gonna hop. Okay, y'all, done have my slippers, but it's me and Augie, y'all. Look at Augie. Yeah, his pants kind of big for real. They only sold 6 to 9 months, but Augie looking good.